How are you all children? Good morning to everyone. Last class we were doing the revision, right? And this class also we are going to do the revision for the vowels. That means the words from the vowels. Okay? So, we will see each one by one. In the next class we will go through the consonant words, okay, and its words. Okay? So, let us learn in detail the vowels and words. So, you can see here children, we have learned the first vowel, it is A. A, say how we pronounce this? Anar. Can you repeat with me? We pronounce it as anar. A ki matra is there next to na, letter na. So, how we pronounce this? Anar. This is amrud. So, you know anar we call in English as pomegranate, and this amrud, guava, okay. So, this is adrak. How we pronounce adrak? Can you say along with me? It's adrak, okay. What we call adrak in English, it's ginger, okay. Next is azgar. Can you repeat? Yes, azgar. So, what it is? We know it's a python, right? The picture shown is python. So, now again let us repeat the words from the letter A, okay. A, say anar. You just repeat along with me, okay. So, let us start. A, say anar, okay. A, say amrud. A, say adrak. A, say azgar. Got it? Okay. Now, let us move on to the next vowel, that is next to A is A, right? We have long sound of A. So, let us see the words made from the letter A. A, say am. So, this we all know it is a picture of mango, right? A, say am. A, say ari. Ari means what in English? We say saw, okay. Ari. Next is A, say ag. We all know what's English word for ag, it's fire, okay. A, say ag. A, say aloo. So, aloo is potato, right. So, again we will repeat this, shall we? You say it along with me so that you can learn it easily. A, say am. A, say ari. A, say ag. A, say aloo. Got it? Okay. So, you all have repeated along with me, right. So, let us see the next vowel, that is next to A, what comes? E. Good. So, let us see E. E, say imli. You know what is this? Tamarind in English. E, say imli. Can you repeat? Imli. Okay. E, say engine. 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 In English also we call it as engine, right. Next is istri. Repeat. Istri. 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 Okay. That is iron box, picture of iron. We say in English iron box. Istri. We all know what is this? Idli. Idli, right. Okay. So, we will repeat this, you also join with me. E, say imli. E, say engine. E, say istri. E, say idli. Got it? Okay. Now, let us see the next vowel, what comes next to E? E. So, let us see E. How we call this? This we all know, you can see the picture what it is, it is a picture of sugar cane. So, how we call it as eek. Repeat with me, eek, okay. Now, next is eent. Repeat, eent, yeah, eent. What we call it as in English? Brick. Eid. You all know Eid is a festival of Muslims, right? They celebrate it. So, what we call in Hindi? Eid. It sounds same when we are pronouncing in English also, Hindi also. Eid, right? Got it. Now, this last word is Ishwar. Yeah, repeat with me, Ishwar. Ishwar, that means God. So you got it? Now let's see the next vowel. Next to E, what it comes? U. So let's see. U say ullu. This is a picture of owl. We all can identify it, right? So how we call it as in Hindi for owl? Ullu. Yeah, repeat with me. Ullu. Now let's see the next picture. It's upla. Yes, upla. Upla. Repeat. Upla. What is this? A lady, she is using a dried cow dung for cooking purpose. It's a dried cow dung. Okay. In villages we can see people using this for cooking purpose. So it's upla. Can you repeat? Upla. Upahar. You all can see and identify this is a picture of gift. Okay. In Hindi what we say? Uphar. Upahar. Can you repeat again? Uphar. Okay. Now this is ustra. Just repeat. Ustra. Yeah. It's a razor, right? Our father used for shaving their beard. So it's ustra. We call it as in Hindi ustra. Okay. Now let's move on to the next vowel. What comes next to u? Oo. Oo. Oo, what we say? Oon. Can you repeat? Yes, oon. What does oon means? Wool. Next is oont. You can see here the Chandra Bindu we learned. Oont. How we call it as? How we pronounce this? Oont. Okay, that's camel. Upar. Yes, upar. That's up. Okay, upar. Urja. What we call, how we pronounce this word? Urja. What is that? Energy. Again repeat. Urja. Okay, good. Now let's see the next vowel, that's re. Okay. So re we have learned how we pronounce this word. Re say rishi. Rishi means in English sage. So re say rishi. Just repeat with me, rishi. Okay. Next is Rishabh. What is that? That means in English, the word is rhythm. Okay, Rishabh. Repeat with me, it's Rishabh. Okay, bha, Rishabh. Now it's pronounced as Ritu. What is this? Seasons. Okay, Ritu. Next word is Rin. We all can identify that's a money. So what we call it as in Hindi? Rin. Okay. So let's move on to the next, A. So A say AD. Repeat with me, A say AD. AD means in English heel. Next, X-ray. That word in English also we say pronounce it in the same way, right? How we pronounce this in Hindi? Same way, X-ray. Repeat with me, X-ray. Ek. What does? That's a number 1. Ek. Yeah, ek. Next is ekta. Repeat, ekta. That is unity. Okay, next to A is what vowel? I. So let's see, I. It's anak. As say anak. Anak, you all know it's a goggles, right? Anak. Okay. Eravat. That means what? Thunder. Eravat. Eravat. Can you repeat this word? Eravat. Ambulance. You can easily, English also we use the same word, right? Same sound. Ambulance, right? Ambulance. Repeat, ambulance. Aisa, which means like this. Aisa. Okay. Let's move on to the next vowel. O. O say Oakley. O say Oakley. Odna. Okay. Oakley. Odna, you know, it's a blanket. Odna. Os, dewdrops. Odni, shawl. Okay. We'll repeat these words again. O say Oakley. O say Odna. O say os. O say Odni. Okay. Let's move on to the next. It's Aw. Aw say Aurat. Aurat is a woman. Or means in English and. So how we call it as in Hindi? And for word and or. Okay, aushadhi, that we have already learned. In English we call it as medicine. Auzar, that's tools. We'll repeat this again. Au say aurat, au say or say aushadhi, au say auzar. Understood? Now let's see the next last. An say angur, grapes, we all know. Ang means parts of the body. Ang, okay, how we call it as ang. Anda, that means egg. Anda. Anguthi, can you pronounce along with me? Anguthi, that's ring, okay, finger ring. Now let's see aha. Aha, for aha we don't have words, but we use this symbol along with the other words, like we can say pratah. What does this means? Pratah, we are using this symbol along with this word. Pratah means morning, okay. So pratah means morning. So we have learned the vowels and their words, okay children. So do practice at home. Again I have told you earlier also, we gave a glance to the vowels as well as consonants. Learn it again, do write repeatedly, practice it at home so that you get well versed with the letters in Hindi, and it will be easy for you to read and write, okay. It's not so tough, but still you have to do practice, then only you can learn it, okay. So learn for today's class also what and all I have shown you. Learn, read that words at least 5 times, okay. Likewise you can learn it, it's very easy. So that's all for today's class. We'll meet up in the next class with the other exercise. So till then you can keep practicing the vowels and consonants, okay children. Okay, thank you, bye.